What do you got?
This is one message, bro. Amongst crewmates, I, Original Almighty, just repair your hearts and Almighty.
With the clock ticking, Mr.
Do
Gold
not
is
run.
pushing for one last big day
The
of
elf
some much-needed gold before
Christ
havoc
returns.
strikes.
We got a little short weather window. The dredges are really kicking
You
in.
can't listen. We wish you to drive to Canada government.
Well, this is going to be the last gas for a while.
If you're in Roanoke County, please leave. Thank you very much. We are stay safe.
At the end of the season. But
There
we'll
will be
see.
more updates available when we can post it.
Where are you at?
It's pretty good. It's pretty good gold all day.